When markets are extremely volatile, the number one question which all the traders definitely ask is what to do with the strategies. In this markets where markets are moving 300, 400 points in a day, or maybe more than that in a day on one side, and they reverses the other day on other side, does these strategies work? How to recalibrate our strategies so that we do not get stuck up in the markets. It's okay for every trader that okay, even if you make less profit, but as long as you are making profit, it is always better. So two things are there. We are in a no position to control the market or markets volatility, right? This is the first thing. Second thing is, definitely we are always in a position to control our trades. So in this video I'm going to give you something which will show you how you can do a same strategy but with a different perspective. Strategy is just a tool which can be used in very different ways. Now if you think that okay, markets are really volatile, then one thing what option seller or option trader should do is that okay, he should stay as far away from the market levels as possible. Now if you do it in a very near expiry, obviously if you want to stay away from the market, you will not get sufficient premiums. So if you do it in a monthly expiry, you still get good premiums. But if you really want to tackle the markets which are volatile, then it is always better to shift to second month expiry. So today I'm going to show you one trade which has taken all the volatility and still it has given profit. Welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singh. We talk about safest possible strategies in these markets and the best possible adjustments. You can join our YouTube WhatsApp community. Link is given in the description. Let me take you to Monday, 2nd Feb. Obviously, 1st Feb was budget Sunday, but markets were open. But 2nd Feb is the right day to trade, and you do not know what will happen to the market. So in this case, obviously things were volatile. So what one should have done is one should have taken a trade which should define my risk, right? So instead of trading in 24th Feb, I can do on Monday, 2nd Feb is I will trade in 30th March. Rather than trading in 24th Feb, let us try to see whether a trade works in 30th March or not. So simple trade for 30th March can be like I will buy a 25,000 call. I will sell 225,500 calls and I will buy 26,000 call. So this gives me a very wide range trade. And we will see that okay, how much is the maximum loss, is the risk profile good or not. So I will sell 2 lots. So this is the trade I have created. What is this trade? This is not iron butterfly. So all of you please write it in the comment section, what is this trade? And this trade will give me maximum loss of 5,000 rupees only. So what I will do it in more than 1 lot, 2 lot, 3 lot, and let us say I am doing it in 5 lots. In 5 lots, now my maximum risk is 25,900. Market is entering into a phase where after budget, this is the first day of the market, and this 25,900 is not going to happen just within few days. This 25,000 loss will happen if I do not do anything for next 2 months. And in next 2 months, if by chance market comes at a stage where I am having a decent profit, I will definitely spare it off. Second thing, when I am taking a March end trade on 1st of February, on the beginning of the February, that doesn't mean I will stay in the trade till March end. As soon as even if I get 1%, 1.5%, 2% profit by let us say 25th Feb, I will definitely scare off the trade. Why should I keep it, right? So keep these things in mind. Whenever markets are volatile, it makes sense to create the trade which are of very far expiry. Earlier I have shown you a trade wherein a December trade was also created. Similarly, in this case, I am creating a bi-monthly trade. For better reach and visibility, kindly click the like button and subscribe button. All your likes and subscriptions are very valuable to us. So let us see, and at what stage we need to do the adjustment. All of you know that okay, this is showing me a very huge break-even point, 25,079 to 25,920. But in this trade, I am not naming the strategy. I am expecting that okay, you will identify the strategy and you will write it in the comment section. Here blue line is very important. This break even is of this green line, but this blue line is very important. As we enter into the trade, the blue line keeps on expanding, and that is the main benefit of taking the trade which is a bi-monthly trade rather than a monthly trade, right? Let us see whether this trade is able to adjust to the fluctuations of month which was very volatile. So a huge move, almost 1,000 points move has happened on a very first day from 2nd Feb to 3rd Feb. But see, the trade is not at all into stress. In fact, it is giving me some profit. It is not taking away anything from me. Now you need to answer me, if I had done a Feb trade, could we see the same results? I don't think so, right? You can try of your own, go to some backtesting software and try that. Okay, if you have done same thing in the Feb trade, that would have not been possible. Now, because this was a bi-monthly trade, we are pretty much safe. Even with a 1,000 point move in the market, we are safe till 25,920. Market is at 25,786. But now the main thing to see the blue line, at least on the downside, is giving me a very good range. This is the typical phenomena of this strategy. That is why it makes sense to make a slightly bullish trade. You can say, sir, if I say when I created the trade, market is at 24,849. I have created a trade where I am buying 25,000 pounds. So this is obviously the trade which says that, okay, if market moves up, then I am going to make a profit. But I am not thinking that. I am thinking that okay, in case market goes slightly up, my blue line will protect me on the downside in a much better way than on the upside. You can see the blue line has extended up to this point. Means market, this trade is safe up to 24,260 also, whereas actual it is showing me 24,5079. Hope you are enjoying these finer points, very fine details of these strategies. Now let us see, we can still keep the trade, but whenever market moves like this, obviously there is a fear in the mind of the trader. You can exit the trade also at a small profit, but let us see whether this trade gives me some profit or not. Next day, okay, everything is still okay. Next day, still okay. Blue line had expanded, but now it has slightly gone down. Next day, now the blue line is very comfortable. The trade is again giving me 2,000 rupees profit. I am okay with the trade. I am not doing any adjustment as of now. Next day, market has gone up a bit, small loss in the trade. Let us see quickly. Again, now it is just hitting the upper range of the trade. Upper range of the trade is 25,920 and market is at 25,918. At this stage, I can do a small adjustment if you want, or I can avoid any adjustment. I can add a bull put spread. I can sell few puts and buy a weekly put to take care of margins. But as of now, let us say we don't do any adjustment. Next day we see what happens. Market has slightly gone up. I am okay with that. I know blue line will come in my favor as the days pass, right? Again, you see blue line is doing a pretty good job for me in this trade. Now this trade is giving me a good profit, 7182, which is just less than 1%, but still in a volatile market, making money is a big deal. It's not about how much money I'm making. It is about whether I'm profitable or whether I'm in loss. You might have seen your surroundings that people were losing money left, right, and center in these kind of markets. And there comes a trader like you who is able to avoid all the volatility of the market, not losing anything, and rather still making some money just because of a small tweak in your strategy. Next day, let's see. So again, I'm making 1.1%. This can be a good point where I can either lock my profit or I can close the trade also. It's not that, okay, if I have done the 30th March trade, I need to sit in the trade till 30th March. By 16th Feb also, I'm making my 1.1%. So if in half a month I'm making 1.1%, or a monthly level, it becomes 2.2%, right? But let us just see what happens to the trade. It is profit and loss will definitely keep on moving up and down, but much better than doing it in a monthly or a weekly trade. Now again, we are making some 8808. The estimated margin is going up and down depending upon what is the volatility of the market. Now again, you see very volatile markets and movements of 300 400 points happening every now and then, but we are sitting very calmly in the trade. We have got multiple opportunities to book this trade. I'm just showing this because just for academic interest, that okay, what is happening to the trade. Now here definitely I would like to close. This is 26 Feb. Maybe a Feb expiry is already over. March things are started. So maybe as a very smart trader, what I will do, I will close this trade at, let us say, 1.4%, or I had earlier opportunities of booking the trade at 1.1% also. So now I will go ahead and create a trade for the month of March, but that can be a trade for April, right? Hope you are understanding it, and this is the way you can trade for very wide range of the market, and mostly these kind of trades do not require adjustments even with volatile moves. People who have attended our iron fly workshop, they know what kind of adjustment are possible, although this is not an iron fly. So all of you who are trying to write in comment section that this is an iron fly, this is not an iron fly, but yes, adjustments can be pretty similar to iron fly. So all of you who have attended the workshop, you must be knowing that okay, by this time you have already locked your profit, and now you can sit even till 30th March, and in case market makes a big move, you are going to make a lot more money than a normal trader. If you also want to know what is that workshop, in that workshop we have given you clear entry, clear adjustment, and clear exit points with 12 months of back testing. We have 3 workshops: iron fly, iron condor, and calendar spread. If any one of you is interested in enrolling for these workshops, you can contact us on the numbers given on the screen. Hope you have liked the strategy. I am leaving you with another very great strategy in the end of this video. Do not forget to like the channel and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.